Hi everyone, welcome to the exercise 2 for Python solution to exercises course. The problem today is to get the area of the room computed by providing the width and length of the room when prompted. So the code is a simple one as usual. We'll have to declare two variables of one for length, one for the width of the room. Then we have this input command in Python, which you can use to prompt the user for some input. Now, within the argument of this input function, you have to write something as a message to the user or to the person to whom the message would be prompted. So here we have just written into the length of the room in feet. Now once the input is carried out, we used another function on top of the input function to convert that into a float value, and that float value is assigned to the length variable. Similarly, on the same lines, we have declared the variable width. We prompted the user with another input to this time get the width of the room, convert it into float and assign to the width variable. Now here is a little compute where we declared a third variable area, which is nothing but a multiplication of the previously two fields that we gathered from the user, the length and the width. They are multiplied and assigned to the area variable. The last step is to print the area. Oh, I just misspelled the area here, so let's correct that here. So we'll print the area of the room, and the way to do is that you can play around with the string that you are going to print. So some part of the string you have written, like the area of the room is, and then you close the string here with comma, and you can place the variable that you want to print, and then again a comma and the completion of the sentence that you want to be displayed to the user. So this is a small code to compute the area, and let's see how it goes. So let's run the program. I'll go to the run menu and we can run the exercise. So as you can see, the first line in our code was to have a prompt to the user, which is the enter the length of the room in feet. So let's do that. Let's assume that the length of the room is 15 feet, okay, and the width of the room is 10 feet. Now the next command was to compute and then display that area of the room to the user. So it works fine as expected. So let's run it another time just to be sure that we play around a little bit more with the code again. And now let's assume that the length of the room is 20 feet and the width of the room is 8 feet. So the area of the room is 160 square feet. So this is a little show of how to declare variables and how to prompt the user with a message, and the user can then input his value and assign that value to those variables, do a little compute on it, and then display that results to the user again. I hope you enjoyed this small exercise. Thank you so much, and keep working on your progress. Goodbye for now.